Hello everyone, this video is about the computer languages. So first of all, what do you mean by computer languages? Computer languages are used for writing the computer programs. So another way, the computer language is a language which is used for the communication between the user and the computer system. So in simple words, the computer is a language, the way we speak to the computers. So computer languages are used to give the instructions to the computer. They make a software, apps and website possibilities. There are three different types of the computer languages. The one is the low-level languages, second is assembly-level languages, third is the high-level languages. The first we know about what is a low-level languages. So low-level languages are the machine-dependent language. We can also known as the machine-level language. This machine-level language uses the zeros and ones. So this machine level language is difficult for the humans but easy for the computer system. So here are some examples, some of the bit formatting formats like 01, 0000. These are all the examples for the low level languages. The second is assembly level languages. So in assembly level languages uses the symbols and some symbolic like instructions. That instructions we can call it as a mnemonics. So this assembly level language is very closer to the machine language, but easier to understand. So examples for this, the assembly level languages which are, so like ADD, that is for the addition. This is some symbolic instruction is used for the addition. So same as like that LOG, which is used for the logarithmic purpose, like this. The next third is high-level programming languages. So the high-level languages, these are all the English-like statements. So these statements are easy to read and write. So this high-level language is closer to the human languages. So like C, C++, Java, Python, JavaScript, etc. These are all some English-like statements. That are all the examples for the high-level language. So in that, the example, the a is equal to 5, b is equal to 10, sum is equal to a plus b, then print sum. So this is some coding language in the Python. These are all some English-like statements. So high-level languages helps us to build a software, develop the apps, creating some websites and solve some real-life problems. So different programming languages which are used for the different needs. So one goal to make technologies better for everyone. So learn the language today, create the technology for tomorrow. Thanks for watching.